Hey everyone, it's RK, and welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be talking about a superfood that's been used in Ayurvedic medicine for centuries. Anardana. You might know it better as dried pomegranate seeds. And let me tell you, these little guys pack a serious punch when it comes to health benefits. We're talking about boosting your digestion, giving your immunity a serious upgrade, and even getting that radiant glow everyone's looking for. And the best part, it's completely natural. So if you're ready to unlock the power of Anardana and see how it can transform your health, stick around because we're diving deep into all the amazing benefits this tangy superfood has to offer. Trust me, you don't want to miss this. Let's talk about digestion, something I know we all think about, especially after a big meal. Anardana is a digestive superstar. Why? Well, it's packed with fiber and natural acids that are like cheerleaders for your digestive enzymes, helping them work more efficiently. Think about it this way. Fiber is like a scrub brush for your gut, helping to keep things moving along smoothly. And those natural acids, they help break down food so your body can absorb all the good stuff. But that's not all. Anardana is also a natural antacid. We've all been there. That uncomfortable feeling of heartburn or indigestion after a spicy meal. Anardana can help soothe those flames and bring you some much-needed relief. Ayurvedic medicine has been using Anardana for centuries to treat digestive issues, and for good reason. It's a gentle yet powerful way to keep your gut happy and healthy. And a happy gut means a happy you. So many people underestimate the connection between gut health and overall well-being. When your digestion is running smoothly, you just feel better, more energized, lighter, and less weighed down. So if you're looking for a natural way to improve your digestion, relieve acidity, and just feel your best, give Anardana a try. You might be surprised at how much of a difference it can make. Alright, let's be honest, who doesn't want glowing, radiant skin? It's something we all strive for, and Anardana can be your secret weapon in achieving that healthy, youthful complexion. You see, Anardana is loaded with antioxidants, especially polyphenols and vitamin C. These powerful compounds are like superheroes for your skin, fighting off those nasty free radicals that can cause damage and premature aging. Think of free radicals as little troublemakers that can wreak havoc on your skin cells, leading to wrinkles, fine lines, and dullness. Antioxidants neutralize those troublemakers, protecting your skin and keeping it looking its best. And when it comes to skincare, vitamin C is a true rock star. It's essential for collagen production, which keeps your skin firm and elastic. Plus, it helps to brighten your complexion and even out skin tone. So by incorporating Anardana into your diet, you're giving your body the tools it needs to fight those signs of aging from the inside out. It's like giving your skin a daily dose of protection and nourishment. And the best part is that it's completely natural. No harsh chemicals or expensive treatments needed. Just the pure goodness of Anardana working its magic. So if you're looking for a natural way to achieve that healthy, youthful glow, look no further than Anardana. It's a simple yet powerful way to nourish your skin from within and let your inner radiance shine through. Let's face it, a strong immune system is more important than ever. And Anardana can be your secret weapon in the fight against those pesky germs. As we talked about earlier, Anardana is packed with vitamin C, a potent antioxidant that plays a crucial role in supporting a healthy immune system. But it doesn't stop there. Anardana is also a good source of other antioxidants, which work together to strengthen your body's natural defenses and help you stay healthy year-round. But wait. There's more. Anardana is not only good for your immune system, it's also a heart-healthy superstar. Studies have shown that the compounds in pomegranate seeds, from which Anardana is derived, may help lower bad cholesterol levels. High cholesterol is a major risk factor for heart disease, so keeping those levels in check is crucial for maintaining a healthy heart. And it doesn't stop there. Anardana may also help reduce inflammation throughout the body, another important factor in preventing heart disease and other chronic illnesses. So by incorporating Anardana into your diet, you're not only boosting your immune system, but also giving your heart some love. It's a win-win situation. Let's talk about blood sugar balance, something that's incredibly important for overall health and well-being. Now, unlike refined sugar, which can send your blood sugar levels on a roller coaster ride, Anardana contains natural sugars that are metabolized differently by the body. This means that Anardana can actually help regulate blood glucose levels, making it a great addition to a diabetic-friendly diet, or for anyone looking to manage their blood sugar levels naturally. But how does it work? Well, Anardana is believed to slow down the absorption of sugar into the bloodstream, preventing those rapid spikes and crashes that can leave you feeling tired and sluggish. And remember, maintaining stable blood sugar levels is not just important for people with diabetes, it's crucial for everyone. When your blood sugar levels are balanced, you have more energy, improved mood, and better concentration. Plus, it can help reduce cravings and prevent those energy slumps that have you reaching for sugary snacks throughout the day. So, if you're looking for a natural way to support healthy blood sugar levels, consider adding Anardana to your diet. It's a delicious and nutritious way to satisfy your sweet tooth while keeping your blood sugar in check. Let's be real, managing weight is a journey, and finding natural ways to support your efforts is always a good thing. Well, guess what? Anardana can be a valuable ally on your weight management journey. Remember how we talked about Anardana being a good source of fiber? Well, that fiber plays a key role in keeping you feeling full and satisfied after meals. It adds bulk to your diet, preventing those pesky hunger pangs that can lead to overeating. But it doesn't stop there. Anardana is also believed to boost metabolism, helping your body burn calories more efficiently. While more research is needed in this area, the initial findings are promising. And let's not forget about the natural enzymes found in pomegranate seeds, from which Anardana is derived. These enzymes are thought to aid in the digestion and breakdown of fats, further supporting your weight management goals. Now, it's important to note that Anardana is not a magic weight loss pill. There's no such thing. But when combined with a healthy diet and regular exercise, it can be a valuable tool in your weight management arsenal. So, if you're looking for a natural way to support your weight management efforts, give Anardana a try. It's a delicious and nutritious way to add flavor to your meals, while potentially boosting your metabolism and keeping you feeling full and satisfied. Wow, we've covered a lot today. From boosting digestion and immunity to promoting glowing skin and even aiding in weight management, Anardana truly is a powerhouse of health benefits. It's amazing how nature provides us with such incredible remedies, and Anardana is a perfect example of that. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends and family. Let's spread the word about the power of Anardana. And don't forget to subscribe to Heaven for Health for more natural health tips and tricks. Remember, taking care of your health doesn't have to be complicated. Sometimes the simplest solutions are the most effective. Until next time, stay healthy and keep exploring the incredible world of natural remedies.